Hello mga kabalen! Today we're going to make a dessert and it's called MAJA BLANCA. So this is no coconut milk MAJA BLANCA. It is all fresh milk. So let's go and let's get started. Our MAJA BLANCA is all fresh milk, no coconut milk. So I'm using 12 cups of real fresh milk, which is equivalent to 6 cans of liquid. So this is 12 cups of real fresh milk. And also I'm using rice flour instead of cornstarch. And I will be using 3.5 cups of rice flour. So this is 12 cups of fresh milk, which is equivalent to 6 cans of liquid. It can be evaporated milk or coconut milk combined, but this is all real fresh milk that I'm using. And I will be also putting 2.5 cups of white sugar instead of brown sugar. So it's up to you. If you want it too sweet, you can put 3 cups. But for now, I'm just putting 2.5 cups of sugar. So give it a stir so that the sugar is diluted. And also, I am using 1 packet of non-fat dry milk. The packet is equivalent to 1 cup. So I am going to put that in the cornstarch mixture. So I am going to take about 3 cups of fresh milk to use it in diluting the rice flour and dry milk. So just keep stirring until the sugar is diluted. I took 3 cups of fresh milk from the mixture of fresh milk and sugar and put it in this container, in 1 container. And also I put the 3.5 cups of rice flour and 1 packet of dry milk, and just keep on stirring it to dissolve any lumps. And also when I pour this in the mixture of fresh milk, I will be using a strainer to remove any lumps. So just keep on stirring it. Now I'm going to simmer or cook the fresh milk mixture. This is mixture of sugar and fresh milk. Just keep stirring it until the sugar is diluted. for this is on medium heat. So we'll wait for about 3 minutes. So I start to simmer our fresh milk mixture to medium heat. So this is only on medium heat. So after 5 minutes, I am putting or pouring the whole kernel corn. I am just using 1 can of whole kernel corn, and I'm also putting the juice of the whole kernel corn. So and now just give it a little stir. And just keep simmering it. At this time, we can put our mixture of rice flour and dry milk, but we have to use a strainer to avoid any lumps. So just keep stirring while pouring the rice flour mixture. So you can see a little lumps there. So we're going to throw this. Just keep stirring. So this is on medium heat. Just keep stirring it. Maja Blanca is a lot of stirring because we don't want any lumps in our Maja Blanca. So this is a little bit. So once you put the mixture of rice flour, you have to keep on stirring it to avoid any lumps or to avoid burning your Maja Blanca. So just keep stirring. Let's see how many minutes before it is cooked after we put our rice flour mixture. So just keep on stirring. So when making Maja Blanca, it is really a lot of work. So it is getting thicker, and we can put our butter now, about 2 tablespoons of butter. Just keep on stirring it. So I think the reason why they called it tibok tibok, because once it's almost done or once it's almost cooked, there's some bubbles popping. It's just like a heartbeats, you know, just keep on beating. That's why it's called TIBOK TIBOK in Kapampangan. I don't know if they call it TIBOK TIBOK also in Tagalog. So just keep on stirring, and we'll see how many minutes this will be done. According to my mother-in-law, she usually cook this for hours, like 2 hours, but I think I'm gonna cook it only for 30 minutes. Okay, so you can see that's called tibok tibok. It looks like the heart is beating. So it's been 9 minutes. So we lower the heat or flame into medium low. so just keep on stirring it. Right now, it's still not yet cooked. So it's been 20 minutes and it is still not cooked. So we'll see maybe in 25 minutes. We'll wait for 5 more minutes. We'll just keep on stirring it. So 3 more minutes, we're going to turn off the stove or heat. It is about cooked, so it took 30 minutes finally. From the time we pour the instant dry milk and the rice flour. So 30 minutes. But before that, we simmer the milk and sugar for about 3 minutes. So we can see the popping or tibok tibok a lot. Okay, 1 more minute and we're going to turn off the heat. For me, after 30 minutes, it is already cooked. But for my mother-in-law, she wants to cook it more. According to her, she cooks the maja blanca like for 2 hours. This is our finished product, maja blanca or tibok tibok. So yummy. And now I'm going to cook the latik or the toppings for the maja blanca, and I'm using the frozen coconut milk. So I am cooking our latik on medium heat. Now our pan is hot, so we can pour the coconut, the frozen coconut milk. Make sure that you dissolve the lumps or the frozen coconut milk. This is on medium heat. So now it is simmering. We just have to stir it once in a while because we don't want it burn. So just keep on stirring it once in a while until it is cooked. So stir it once in a while. It is almost cooked, so just keep on stirring it. So this is almost done. Just keep on stirring it. This is on medium heat because we don't want it burned. Oops, my flame, I think it's too high. I'm going to lower it to medium low because some burned already. So just keep on stirring it. It's almost done. So I can smell already the latik or the coconut oil. So just keep on stirring it, and I lower the temperature or the heat to medium low. So just keep on stirring. Mga kabalen, this is almost done. So I'm going to turn off the stove now. So we have our latik cooked already and ready for the mahablanca toppings. Thank you for watching.